Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage inspired aesthetic home decor ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage inspired aesthetic home decor is an interior style that combines the charm of an old-fashioned countryside cottage with a cozy, nostalgic, and romantic atmosphere. It focuses on East-looking furniture, soft colors, natural materials, floral patterns, handmade details, and treasured vintage accessories. Key features. First, soft muted colors. Use creamy white, beige, dusty pink, shades green, hilly blue, and warm earthy tones. Use vintage furniture. Choose wooden tables, antique-style cabinets, distressed chairs, and pieces with a gently weathered appearance. Use floral fabrics like floral curtains, cushions, tablecloths, and upholstery. Add a classic cottage feeling. Use natural materials. Incorporate wood, rattan, wicker, linen, cotton, ceramic, and stone for a warm, organic look. Open shelving. Display vintage crockery, ceramic mugs, glass jars, teapots, and small decorative pieces on open shelves. Cozy textiles. Layer quilts, knitted throws, embroidered cushions, and lace details to make rooms feel comfortable. Use vintage accessories, old-style clocks, picture frames, candlesticks, baskets, vases, and decorative books can create nostalgic character. Handmade touches like crochet, embroidery, pottery, pressed flowers, and handmade crafts fit beautifully into this aesthetic. Nature-inspired decoration. Use fresh flowers, giant flowers, potted herbs, and botanical prints. Bring the countryside indoors. A slightly imperfect look. The style does not need everything to look new or perfectly coordinated. A small sign of age and wear often make the space feel more authentic. The goal is to create a home that feels warm, lived-in, peaceful, nostalgic, and connected to the countryside, almost like stepping into a charming cottage from another era, while still keeping the space comfortable for modern living. Here is more detailed tips for vintage cottage-inspired aesthetic home decor. This style combines the nostalgia of vintage interiors with the relaxed charm of a traditional cottage. Rather than looking perfectly polished, the home should feel warm, personal, collected, and lived in. Wooden furniture is one of the most important elements. Look for farmhouse tables, painted cabinets, spindle-back chairs, small side tables, vintage dressers, and furniture with gently distressed finishes. A soft and natural palette work best. Popular choices include cream and ivory, soft shades green, dusty blue, muted rose, warm beige, pale yellow, soft brown, terracotta accents. Use floral patterns. Flowers are strongly associated with the cottage aesthetic. Use small floral prints on curtains, cushions, quilts, wallpaper, table linens, or upholstered furniture, without making every surface patterned. Use baskets and open pieces. Wicker and rattan baskets add both texture and personality. They can be used for blankets, towels, books, magazines, or everyday household items. Use vintage accessories. Small decorative objects can give the room its personality. Try antique-style clocks, ceramic vases, old picture frames, candlesticks, vintage mirrors, decorative plates, and traditional pottery. Use cottage-style curtains. Choose lightweight fabrics such as cotton, linen, lace, or soft floral fabric. Cafe curtains, ruffled curtains, gingham patterns, and simple tiebacks can create a charming cottage window look. Handmade details. Handcrafted pieces make the space feel more personal. Use crocheted blankets, embroidered cushions, knitted throws, handmade baskets, and ceramic pieces work particularly well. Create a collected look. Instead of buying everything as a matching set, combine pieces that look as though they have been collected over time. A mixture of old-looking furniture, books, artwork, ceramics, and textiles creates authentic character. Bring nature indoors. Use fresh flowers, jade bouquets, herbs, botanical artwork, and small plants can reinforce the countryside feeling. Simple flowers in ceramic pitchers or glass bottles can be especially effective. Focus on comfort. A vintage cottage home should feel comfortable rather than formal. Add soft cushions, layered blankets, upholstered setting, rugs, and a cozy reading corner. Wall decoration. Gallery walls can include botanical prints, vintage landscape, family-style photographs, small mirrors, floral artwork, and traditional frames. Keep the arrangement slightly relaxed rather than perfectly symmetrical. Kitchen character. The kitchen is an excellent place to emphasize this aesthetic. Use wooden cutting boards, ceramic dishes, glass jars, open shelves, floral tea towels, vintage-style containers, and a farmhouse-inspired table can create a beautiful cottage atmosphere. Next, bedroom style. Use layered bedding, floral or quilted blankets, soft curtains, wooden furniture, bedside lamps, and a few sentimental-looking accessories. The result should feel calm and inviting rather than overly decorated. The secret to the style, the most important thing is balance. Combine vintage-looking pieces with simple modern comforts, so the room feels nostalgic without becoming cluttered or looking like a museum. Vintage Cottage and Spa Decor is about creating a home that feels timeless, cozy, nostalgic, handmade, natural, and wonderfully lived in. Here are more detailed tips. Layer different textures. Mix linen curtains, cotton cushions, old throws, wicker baskets, and weathered wood. These contrasting textures make the room feel richer without relying on bright colors. Choose aged-looking wood, opt for oak, pine, or reclaimed wood with visible grain and knots. Avoid overly glossy finishes, as a matte or lightly distressed look feels more authentic. Decorate with antique books, stacked and hardback books on coffee tables or shelves. They instantly create a collected, well-loved atmosphere. Use soft lighting, table lamps with fabric shades, candles, and firm bulbs. Create a gentle evening glow. The lighting should feel comfortable rather than bright and dramatic. Display everyday items beautifully. Leave ceramic pitcher, wooden spoons, teacups, and plate pots visible in a state of putting everything away. Functional objects become part of the decoration. Add lace sparingly. A lace table runner or pillow trims adds vintage elegance. Using small amounts keeps the room from feeling overly formal. Mix furniture styles. Pair a farmhouse table with vintage chairs, or combine an antique cabinet with a simple modern sofa. This creates a home that feels naturally collected over time. Bring in botanical artwork. Frame pressed flowers, botanical sketches, or vintage plant illustrations. Nature themes artwork fits perfectly with the cottage mood. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Use wildflowers, lavender, eucalyptus, and giant hydrangeas. Add effortless countryside charm. Display them in ceramic jugs or clear glass bottles. Create a cozy reading corner, a comfortable armchair, knitted blankets, a small side table, and windows lamp can become a peaceful retreat. Even a small corner can feel inviting without thoughtful styling. Keep storage decorative. Use oven baskets, wooden crates, and vintage chunks for storage. They reduce clutter while adding character. Embrace imperfect details. Small chip on pottery, faded paint, or own wooden edged often enhance the vintage look. These imperfections help the space feel genuine instead of staged. Use cottage style jugs. Choose beaded jugs, faded Persian style jugs, or floral oven jugs. They help anchor the room and soften wooden floors. Add seasonal touches. Soft decorations throughout the year while keeping the winter's feel. Spring flowers, summer herbs, autumn pumpkins, and winter pine branches all suit the style beautifully. Let the home feel personal. Display handmade crochet pieces, family heirlooms, gifted treasures, and meaningful souvenirs. A winter's cottage home feels most beautiful with it reflect the people who live there rather than looking perfectly matched. The overall mood. Imagine a home with sunlight filtering through linen curtains, a wooden table with fresh flowers, shelves filled with vintage ceramics, soft quilts on the sofa, and a comforting scent of lavender and tea. That relaxed, nostalgic, and welcoming feeling is the heart of vintage cottage inspired aesthetic home decor. Think of collected over time. The home should not look like everything was purchased at once. Combine vintage style furniture, handmade pieces, second hand looking accessories, and newer practical items. Choose character rich furniture. Look for furniture with turned legs, curved edged wooden detailing, painted finishes, or visible wood grain. A simple old fashioned dresser can become a beautiful focal point. Use a layered color scheme. Start with a neutral foundation, such as warm white, cream, or beige. Add gentle shades of shades, dusty blue, muted pink, butter yellow, or terracotta through smaller decorative pieces. Make windows feel soft, linen, cotton, gingham. Small floral prints and lace can all work well. Cafe curtains are particularly suitable for kitchens and bathrooms. Add oven texture. Rattan baskets, wicker trays, oven hampers, and cane furniture bring natural texture into the room. They also help balance the softness of floral fabrics. Display ceramics. Vintage style ceramic platters, jugs, bowls, teapots, and vases can be displayed on open shelves or inside glass front cabinets. Mixing several shapes makes the arrangement feel more authentic. Create a nostalgic gallery wall. Combine botanical prints, landscapes, floral artwork, small mirrors, and vintage style photographs. Use different but complementary frames to create a collected appearance. Style bookshelves naturally. Instead of filling every shelf, leave some empty space between books and decorations. Add a small vase, framed botanical prints, ceramic objects, or basket beside the books. Create a cottage kitchen corner. A small tiered coffee station can become a charming feature. Use a wooden tray, ceramic cups, a glass jar, a vintage style tin, and a small flower arrangement. Add on or two statement vintage pieces. You don't need dozens of antiques. A beautiful old looking mirror, grandfather's style clock, wooden cabinet, or vintage dresser can establish the aesthetic. Make setting inviting. Choose comfortable sofas and armchairs and layer them with cushions and troughs. Slightly mismatched setting can actually enhance the relaxed cottage character. Use natural decorative materials wood, stone, linen, cotton, wicker, ceramic, glass, and jade plants work particularly well. These materials help create a connection with the countryside. Keep the lighting gentle. Warm table lamps, wall lights, lantern style pictures, and candles can create a cozy evening atmosphere. Avoid making every light source equally bright. Avoid excessive clutter. Vintage cottage style is cozy, not chaotic. Choose meaningful decorative pieces and give each item enough space to be appreciated. Make it feel personal. The most successful vintage cottage interiors don't feel like showrooms. Handmade crafts, meaningful objects, favorite books, family style photographs, and treasured decorations make the space feel genuinely lived in. Thanks for watching this video.